Hey guys, so in this unboxing review we'll be looking at a JBL GO3 Bluetooth speaker, and we'll be testing out how it sounds, how it feels, and let's get to it. Alright, so just taking it out, and I love the feel. It feels very premium. I love the material that they use on the outer body. It's cute. I'll say this. Now, does it pack a punch in terms of sound quality? Now that is to be observed. So just on the outset, we have the power button, we have the Bluetooth connection button, a little Go 3. It's cute. I've been saying cute a lot, haven't I? Seems like it uses USB Type C, which is good because we want to be more modern with our USB connections, right? So let's get to turn it on. I think it should have some charge in it. Oh, that feels really good. Okay, so it is on. Let me connect it to something and play some music and see how it sounds. So I've connected it. Now it's time to start playing a song and hear how the quality sounds. Okay. Oh, this feels good.
Girl, love, know that I'm a thriller. Your daddy say you should
Hopefully this
play
song
with
isn't copyrighted.
me. So bad. Girl,
It's okay for you
love,
guys to not be able to hear the quality of
know
it.
that I'm a thriller.
We also have
Your daddy say you should play with me.
section to increase the volume.
The sun is shining, the breeze is blowing too, and all I've got inside me is lots of love for you. It's true, girl, love.
You can pause the audio also by pressing the play button. You can decrease the volume. So the quality sounds really good. I'm actually very surprised. I've listened to a couple of Bluetooth speakers of this size, and this is the first one that sounds so quality. What do I call it now? So clear, and quality just seems to be very fluid. Um, you hear your high pitches, your lows, the bass is very resounding, and it feels amazing in my hand. I definitely can vibe with it. I forgot to mention that there is the USB Type C cable. It's not a very long cable, but it will do what's needs to be done. If you have a longer one, you can always substitute that. So this concludes my video. I'm enjoying it so far. Like I said, for the sound, it's good.
Know that I'm a thriller. Your daddy say you shouldn't play with me.
Alright, so thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have this type of speaker, Bluetooth speaker, and share your feedback in terms of your experience with it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.